because it's so true. We started our business with a brick and mortar store that offered customizable breast prosthesis, so prosthetics that come in 36 different skin tones. You can customize your nipple, add freckles and veins, and we use 3D printing to create them. Well, then the pandemic happened, right? So we had to close our store. I don't know if you all remember back in the day, everyone thought the pandemic was gonna last 2 weeks, or we were gonna be in the house for 2 weeks. So I packed up the boutique, I stuck everything in the back, I said, okay, well, if this is just 2 weeks, then we'll survive fine. Well, after week 3, I had patients reaching out saying, hey, I still need bras, I still need prosthesis. So we were doing virtual calls with them, video visits. I was delivering their bras and breast forms to their doors, like Uber. And I remember thinking that this is a whole new business. This is a whole new opportunity. So being flexible was really what saved our business, being able to pivot at the right time, and listening to what the customer needed at the right time opened up a brand new window of opportunity and allowed us to reach customers outside of our local demographic. So we ended up serving 20,000 patients in the Washington, D.C. area before just saying, let's do pop-ups. Let's go across the country. Let's offer video visits and telehealth nationwide. And when we did that, we were able to reach even more people. So I think remaining flexible, ducking, dodging, pivoting, praying, and it works. As a business owner, we have to keep that in mind that it works.
Shelley, what